Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make a double spiral beaded rope necklace. I will make this necklace using two different color seed beads. We use maximum jewelry fishing wire to make necklaces. We will use fishing wire to make this necklace also. At the beginning of the video, I took 3 pieces of seed beads of different colors. Watch the video till the end. I hope you will like the seed bead necklace design. Then I took a brown and sky color seed bead. Are you ready to elevate your beading project to the next level? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a stunning double spiral beaded rope that you can use to create a beautiful beaded chain. I will guide you through each step to create a mesmerizing 2-bead spiral chain that will impress any jewelry collector. Watch now to learn how to make this gorgeous double spiral beaded rope. Then I took a brown and sky color seed bead. How to make it step by step. I will show you so that you don't have any difficulty in making it. Please give us a like on the video. If you like this tutorial, be sure to check out my other videos on making easy beaded necklace. Please feel free to share which one you found most inspiring.
Feel free to share which one you found.
Then take a brown and a sky color seed bead. Like this again, take a brown and sky color seed bead. Then take a brown and a sky color seed bead. Then take a brown and sky color seed bead. See very well, using a simple process, I am showing you how to make a double spiral beaded rope necklace. After the necklace is complete, it looks very beautiful. The reason for using two color seed beads here is to make the video easier for you to understand. Then I took a brown and sky color seed bead. It is really easy to make the necklace, but after making the necklace, it looks very difficult, like a 3D design. Then I took a brown and sky color seed bead. Now the chain is little by little, I will continue to increase. Again as before, I took a brown and sky color seed bead. Please for this beautiful simple design, give a like and comment how do you like this necklace design. Chain is as long as a necklace. Using same process, we'll add 5 pieces brown color seed bead. Use a lock for the 3D double spiral beaded rope necklace. We will open the lock in 2 parts. We will put one thread on this side of the necklace and we will put the other rope on the other side of the necklace. First, we add 5 pieces of seed bead. We will add the lock as we added in the opposite. See, now the necklace design is complete. I hope you like the design. Please like our video and comment how you like our video. Please subscribe to your jewelry channel DiyArtiePie.